TUT coin is making a huge impact in today's cryptocurrency market, surging an impressive 74% over the past 24 hours and trading around $0.057. This explosive move has suddenly placed TUT among the market's strongest gainers, attracting significant attention from traders and crypto enthusiasts. A 74% one-day rally represents a dramatic shift in short-term momentum. Such a powerful move can bring a wave of fresh market interest, especially from traders looking for assets with strong price action. At the same time, rapid gains can create substantial volatility, making the price action after today's rally extremely important. The $0.057 area could become a key reference point following this surge. If buyers manage to defend this level and maintain strong demand, it could potentially develop into short-term support and provide a foundation for another upward move. However, after such a large rally, profit-taking and temporary consolidation would also be completely normal. Trading volume will be one of the most important signals to watch. If today's 74% gain is backed by sustained volume, it could indicate broad market participation and stronger buying interest. If volume starts fading quickly, the rally could lose momentum as short-term traders begin securing profits. Beyond the price chart, investors may continue watching TUT's ecosystem development, project updates, adoption, partnerships, exchange activity, token utility, roadmap progress, and community growth. Continued positive developments could help maintain attention around the token beyond today's explosive price movement. Today's 74% surge is certainly eye-catching, but one massive green day does not automatically confirm a long-term bullish trend. What happens next could be even more important than today's percentage gain. Holding recent levels, maintaining healthy trading volume, and attracting continued buyer demand would strengthen the case for sustained momentum. A period of consolidation would not necessarily be negative either. After a rapid move, sideways price action can allow the market to absorb recent gains and establish a stronger base. On the other hand, a sharp reversal could indicate that selling pressure is overwhelming the new buying interest.